Hello! Welcome to the Chinese course on Taleek. I'm Yao Songmei. In our last lesson, we learned these 8 nasal finals: an, yin, yan, wan, wen, yun, yuan. Okay, let's say them together one more time. An, yin, yan, wan, wen, yun, yuan. Wonderful! Today we are going to learn nasal finals group 2. We have yin, yang, wang, wen, yong for today. Let's go. For yang, we can compare them with an, yin. So an, yin are nasal finals ending with n. Our upper teeth and lower teeth are slightly closed. Our tip of the tongue touches the alveolar ridge. Remember that? But for yang, as you can see, our mouth is more wide open. Our tip of tongue actually sinks. As for it's a plus So let's compare them with adding initials. You will find out. Bang, ban, pang, pan, beng, ben, geng, gen, bing, bing, jing, jing, gong, hong. As for yang, wang, wen, yong, they are e plus u plus u plus and e plus ong. Let's read some syllables here. Qiang, jiang, huang, guang, wen, zhong, chong. Here, wen is a special one. Let me remind you of this. When a zero initial syllable starts with u, we change u to u. Alright, I believe you're doing good with 2 groups of nasal finals. Before I finish this lesson, I'd like to remind you of another simple final which I mentioned in Pinyin lesson 1. That is R. When we pronounce it, our mouth is half open and the surface of tongue raises in the middle. Curl the tip of tongue. R. R. It's a special one because it's always used by itself. And another reason is that R can be combined with a syllable before it, forming a retroflex syllable, which is written as character plus R and spelled syllable plus in pinyin. For example, hua. This isn't initial it's a function mark for retroflex syllable. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Now it's quiz time for you. Bye bye.